I gotta. Okay, hang on. Okay, say. Hello, Cassie. Okay, say I'm gonna. Okay. Guys, if me and Devon's gonna hang out tomorrow, say I have a surprise for him, and instead I'm gonna walk up to him, and I don't know. Okay, kiss him, for example. And then I tell him it's a surprise, so he has to wait. And then he's like, "LOL, what's it got to do with?" What do I say?
I don't know. Spaghetti.
I'm just gonna put pleasure. Oh gosh, hello. How are you?
What's the good gossip on Devontae?
Hey!
I have a surprise for him tomorrow.
Dustin, Mommy, Bob was on page and then I was on page.
Oh my. Is he dead?
I think she's gonna get
He's
breast
outside.
cancer.
But I was like, guess what? He's like, what? And then I was like, I love you. And he's like, liar. And I was like, not. And he's like, prove it. And I was like, I would. And here, I'll read it to you. And then, oh my god. And then he's like, how? And I'm like, you gotta wait. And he's like, for? I was like, we gotta prove it. It's a surprise. He's like, what if I don't like surprises? I was like, I think you'll like this one. He's like, what's it got to do with? And then, like, I don't know what to say. What's it got to do with? I don't even really have a surprise for him, but, like...
She's gonna kiss him.
So what you gonna do?
I don't know.
And then they're gonna find out it's baby.
Her and the mixed baby.
I swear.
Hey, Mommy,
Like-
Rosie looks beautiful.
Like, I mean, okay, say, if that was a surprise, like... I mean, like, okay... What's a word for that doesn't give it away? Like... I'm thinking pleasure, but, like, it's not all that...
that don't sound too good. It will be a soft touch.
So
But don't know with what. Could be fingers, could be lips, could be tongue.
dildos.
That's not soft.
What? It's rubbery. Oh, April! Come here. My friend told me there's this store, it's called Essential Nights in Enron or whatever. She told me they have dildos at gym.
Probably.
I was like, are you serious?
It used to be slightly sinful.
Sinful?
Slightly sinful. That used to be the name of it.
Oh. I thought you were talking about like it's like a sin or something.
No, that was the name and they changed it on the letter.
Oh, Destiny was telling us a story. The funny story. She told us a story. Hey, Destiny, why don't you tell us the story that you told me and Paige?
I honestly wasn't listening.
It might be gay and it might be gross, but...
It might be gay.
It wasn't that story, it was the other one.
What story?
She was gonna go on about Jared and Corey making noise.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it.
What are you two? You're teaching this baby.
We're not teaching her nothing.
She's using words I have never heard come out of her mouth before. Like, or
I know
like
you-
they're not bad, but like
We're
gay.
saying-
Like she never says gay.
So what story were you telling?
What?
Is it the one she told me up there?
What, the gay one or what?
Which story?
Why do people
You
do
need to get
that? Destiny, why do people do that?
What? Or what was she talking about?
What? What? The
We're
gay?
laughing. What?
What, the gay thing?
No.
Why do people do that?
Why do people do that? I went to my room and I thought to myself, why do people do that?
Do what? What'd you say?
It's about you and Daddy.
What about me and Daddy?
Why do people do that?
Paige, tell me what she said. Stop laughing so I can watch the movie. Hurry up.
Not me.
Touch on. He said, "LOL." Touch on what?
That's for you to find out. What'd she say? Hurry up.
It's too funny.
Hurry, stop laughing. Paige, can you spit it out? Did you say the S-E-X word again? She don't say sex. She says S-E-X.
That's exactly what she did. And she's like, one day, your daddy and my mommy were in their room, and I heard the bed make noise, and I went to my room and thought to myself, why do people do that?
Coke and rum, I'm like the water drum. It's the freaking weekend, baby. I'm about to have me some fun. Bounce, 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 bounce. Come on, laced like murder.